Talent hits a target no one else can hit, genius hits a target no one else can see. All truth passes through three stages. First, it is ridiculed. Second, it is violently opposed. Third, it is accepted as being self-evident. The doctor sees all the weakness of mankind, the lawyer all the wickedness, the theologian all the stupidity. To live alone is the fate of all great souls. Great men are like eagles, and build their nest on some lofty solitude. The greatest of follies is to sacrifice health for any other kind of happiness. Every parting gives a foretaste of death, every reunion a hint of the resurrection. Each day is a little life, every waking and rising a little birth, every fresh morning a little youth, every going to rest and sleep a little death. Change alone is eternal, perpetual, and immortal. After your death you will be what you were before your birth.